Ladies and gentlemen, just to check if my voice is okay. Is the voice okay? Can somebody do like this? Can you hear me? It's okay. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, live from Dubai. So let's use this opportunity to invite our people because I'm going to share a couple of news today. And not all because we're waiting up on a couple of things, but I think it's very important that you are inviting your whole team and of course all the guests. So give me 2-3 minutes. I'm ready, but I'm just waiting because I can still see that people are joining and joining and joining. So take the phone or post on your WhatsApp groups the link which I've posted. And I see you back in 3 minutes. Okay. It's going to be great, guys. December is going to be amazing. Amazing. You should be so lucky. You should feel you're lucky because great things are coming. So, okay, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have took something to write because it's always important, especially, of course, for our new guests to take some notes. My name is Asker. I want to say hello and welcome live from Dubai. We got a lot of countries here, so hello to everybody. Somewhere it's day, somewhere it's night, I don't know, but I think it's very interesting to be here. Good. Yesterday we had an amazing opportunity for the world, where not for us, but it was the ZENIQ meeting yesterday. It was amazing. We were in the Burj Khalifa with more than 250 people. It was totally designed for investors because that was the start of the tokenization platform, or they were showing what to do. Good. And today I will do a normal presentation, but with a couple of new slides in between, because I want to share some news, what we can communicate, the others, the company is going to communicate with you. So it will be very nice if you can take care about the information and give this information further to your teams. A lot of things are going to happen in the next 2.5 weeks, because in 2.5 weeks we will have the global summit here in Dubai. Amazing things are going to happen. You will see so many surprises. I know what's coming, but we cannot communicate it with you. But I can say one thing to you: listen today very carefully, and be in Dubai. Be in Dubai in December on the global summit. Good. For our guest, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm going to talk today about two companies. One company is our product company. It's a blockchain tech company. It's building a whole ecosystem which is not existing on the world in this way. Yeah, so it's totally different. It's totally new. On that blockchain, we will see a whole ecosystem. And I will going to talk also about minting, about producing cryptocurrency, how it's possible with that technology. And that's the reason that I have shown you the disclaimer, because it's normal. Yeah, we all know that crypto assets, it's always connected with a certain risk. It can go up, it can go down. But today I'm going to show you, if you don't have any know-how about crypto, or don't know how to trade, or you don't know how bots are working, like me. Really, I don't know how to trade. I tried, I lost my money. I don't know how bots are working because you have to put in again the right parameters. I don't know anything about ICOs, etc. I learn here in the company, but it's possible for persons like me and like you, without having that knowledge, to create some benefits on the blockchain with crypto. So this is a breakthrough. Good. And the company who is actually building the whole platform and giving us the technology, that is the company ZENIQ. ZENIQ is a blockchain tech company. It's based in the financial center of Dubai. It's not a financial institution. It's a technology company. At the moment, in totally more than 100 employees, 100 people. And I heard it today, 75% are programmers for blockchain. That is a shocking number. Can you imagine? You got a company, more than 75% of those employees are blockchain tech freaks. Yeah. Thank you much for those people. I want to thank them for everything what they're delivering to us. ZENIQ started in 2018 with an idea of two friends from Austria. Then they switched to Dubai because Dubai is going to be the country for blockchain. They have opened all the doors and they're accepting actually the opportunities which is going to have been built on blockchain. Good. One of the founders or the partners in ZENIQ is a person from the royal family of Dubai, from the Al Maktoum family. So this is not a Mickey Mouse business, ladies and gentlemen. This is amazing. Good. And one of the partners of ZENIQ, that is the company SAFIR Global. That is the company where I'm working with more than 500,000 people worldwide at the moment, because we are building a huge community. SAFIR Global is the company who's got the exclusive rights to do actually the recommendation marketing for the company ZENIQ and building the community. We need a community for the whole ecosystem, and that is something what is unique. Good. Look, now listen very carefully. I know that a lot of people are trying to make money with crypto. Me too. But maybe more than 99% of the people on the planet who try to make money with crypto, they cannot. Yeah? Why? Exactly what I said. They don't know how to trade. They don't know how the graphics work. They don't know when it's going up, when it's going down. You should be a professional with that. Yeah. But there are so many projects on the market and people have bought the coins and bought the tokens, but it's not working how they want it to work because people are buying those tokens. But if there is no ecosystem, if there's no infrastructure where you can use that, it's like having a new currency, the Asker dollar. If you cannot pay with that nowhere, nobody will give attention to that currency, and that's the same problem in the crypto world. And this is the first and what I know the only company who is not just having a blockchain and a coin, but is building a whole ecosystem. And when I started working with this company about 1.5 years ago, yes, we had the blockchain and we got the minting technology. But today, I'm so happy that I can say the following. Listen, we are there, ladies and gentlemen. The journey is starting now. And I think it's the perfect timing for every guest today to join this amazing opportunity. What is it? ZENIQ has got its own blockchain, totally programmed. ZENIQ has got its own smart chain. It's like Ethereum or Binance. Smart chain means it's a second layer, it's a second road where unlimited projects can be click on and they can use the blockchain technology of ZENIQ. Like a lot of projects are using the Ethereum chain, or a lot of projects are using the Binance chain. If you don't know how blockchain is working, then you are using that. So ZENIQ blockchain, ZENIQ smart chain. On this technology, they have built already a technology, we call it the ZENIQ Hub, that is a physical device for projects to produce their coins. It's like mining, but mining is old. You need a lot of computers, expensive computers, a lot of electricity. That's out. The new technology is minting. You can see it on the left side. That is the ZENIQ Hub on the ZENIQ blockchain, on the ZENIQ Smart Chain. ZENIQ has got its own wallet, what is decentralized. A wallet where you can have all the cryptos which you wish. You have a connection with the exchanges. I will show you the wallet. There is no wallet at the moment on the planet who can do what the ZENIQ wallet can do. So more. ZENIQ has got its own crypto debit card, so you can send crypto on that card and you can go and you can pay in the Starbucks the coffee. ZENIQ has built in his wallet also the possibility that you can stake coins or tokens and that you can get a certain benefit on the staking hits. ZENIQ has got its own crypto exchanges. The first exchange, I'm so happy, is being launched yesterday. It is active. That is something where I was waiting for more than 1.5 years. The ZENIQ Swap, it's like Uniswap or Pancake Swap, fully decentralized, of course. And the ZENIQ Hub is active. Yeah, the ZENIQ ecosystem will have also, but that is, we hope, end of March, maybe April, ZENIQ is going to bring the first real decentralized crypto exchange of its kind. So if you talk about crypto exchanges, you have got two different models. One is centralized, one is decentralized. Centralized means it's built on a computer. It's programmed on a computer, website, computer. And you can change all the coins and you can buy and sell. That is not on a blockchain. You are selling cryptocurrencies where you can buy, but it's not on a blockchain. Only decentralized crypto exchanges are built on the blockchain. So what is the huge difference? What is built on a computer, you can hack and you can close it down. We all know what happened just a couple of days ago with one of the biggest crypto exchanges. They closed, it's gone, it's over. So billions of value has lost because it was built on a computer. The solution is to build that on the blockchain. If you build a crypto exchange on the blockchain like Uniswap, the owners, they will die someday. Yeah, I hope they will live long, of course. But if they die, Uniswap will stay forever because it's built on the blockchain. But what is the reason why so many people are still going to centralized crypto exchanges like FTX or like Binance? Because on the existing technology, building a decentralized crypto exchange on a blockchain like Uniswap has got one very big problem, has got a limitation. Uniswap, what is built on Ethereum blockchain, is speaking only the Ethereum language. That means you cannot send Bitcoin. You cannot send other coins as Ethereum or Ethereum tokens because it don't understand. It is working just on one blockchain. So, and the whole world is waiting for a technology, and that is, I want to have my cryptocurrency on a crypto exchange, but that should be built on the blockchain. Then it's safe. Nobody can turn it off. But I want to use all the coins and all the tokens. And that is not possible till the technology of ZENIQ is going to introduce this. ZENIQ will introduce the first real decentralized crypto exchange of its kind, compatible to all the coins and tokens. So, and if you have that technology, how many projects are going to be built on the ZENIQ chain? Because the ZENIQ chain is one of the cheapest in transactions, one of the fastest of transactions, and one of the most easiest technology to program, and will have its own tokenization platform. I will come back on that. The first projects are there. The ZENIQ coin is already listed on Uniswap, on PancakeSwap, and on La Token. So when you take a picture of this, this is a dream. And if Ethereum reached high prices, if the BNB reached high prices because it's a smart chain, what can happen with the ZENIQ coin? Good. And now what was happening yesterday, 13th of November, we were here in the Burj Khalifa in the Armani Hotel. It was an amazing meeting, perfectly. Thank you very much, ZENIQ, for inviting us. It was a room, more than 250 people. They came from around the world, big investors, big project owners, big company owners. They came because the world is changing. Yeah. So the blockchain is going to be bigger than internet. If you can imagine what is built on internet, so how big blockchain is going to be. And also financing projects is changing. Blockchain is changing everything on the planet, inclusive financing projects. At the moment, companies are financing the projects with own money or money from the bank or money getting from selling shares like the stock exchange market, like the NASDAQ. So, and now imagine that you have a model similar to the exchange, the stock exchange, but now you are going to put this on the blockchain. Do you know what is happening? I will come back on that, but now it's open for everybody. It's safe. So that is going to be the future. And we have seen what is going to be tokenized. I cannot say what it is, but oh my God, it's amazing. So, and that is a huge, huge new market. But now let's go back to the big news, swap.zeniq.net. You can go there. I've connected the MetaMask here. You can see I can swap the ZENIQ and the Tupan. But At the moment, please don't send any ZENIQ coins to your exchange, to the swap. Let them give a couple of days more to make all the fine tunings, because it can happen. Yeah, it can happen that there are some connections which is not made from our back office. So the swap is working, that's not a problem, but from the back office to there. So just wait a couple of days, but I think something has happened in my life, in my career. So this is what we're waiting for. The ZENIQ swap is active. And that is not the only thing, but ZENIQ has activated also the crypto wallet. It is Nomo. Nomo powered by ZENIQ. Why they have given a name on that? No more problems in crypto, I think. I don't know. I like that word, Nomo. No more stress, no more problems, no more fear of loss. Always be happy and always be safe and always be, how do you call it? Connected to something what is amazing. Nomo is active now for Android, so all the Samsungs, etc. You can download it already. We will give you instructions what are you going to do with the old application and the new application. So with the old application, the old ZENIQ app, you got the codes, you got the 12 words. I don't know how every app is calling this in a different way, but the key code or your source code, etc. The 12 words. Note that, take a note about it, and then you can push this also, create this also in the new application. Then you got your new wallet. But the new wallet is not yet connected to the back office, because that should be totally ready after the swap. The swap is now ready, and now they are going to connect this. For iPhone users like me, I'm still using my old application, which is perfect working. At the moment, when Apple is giving it free, because it has nothing to do with us. I know it. I had a programming company before, so Android, Google Play is in a couple of minutes you get it. You get the okay, but iOS, they are looking at the comma, at the point, and why is this and why is that. It can take 2 hours, it can take 2 days, it can take 2 weeks, but let us surprise, and then we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready to go. Good for our guests. This is just a small part of the whole ecosystem. That is the new wallet. The new wallet is going to do almost everything what you can imagine. So all the projects, all the NFTs you will find in the app, all the staking projects you will find in the app. There will be a swap function inside, because it's the ZENIQ app and the ZENIQ Swap. So it's very simple to connect them. Everything belongs to us or belongs to ZENIQ. The ZENIQ Swap is going to start with the trading pairs and the pre-launch with these coins. The ZENIQ debit card will be also possible to add in your wallet. You can see deposit SEPA, withdraw SEPA. So for Europe, because that's SEPA, there will be a bank connection. It's all there. But what is amazing is ZENIQ has got his own messenger programmed in the wallet, in the ZENIQ wallet. It's a messenger working also as a decentralized messenger. That means it's end-to-end encryption, fully decentralized conversation, voice over IP, video call, and group communication. Only the messenger can bring us 100 million, 200 million, 300 million community. And if that community understands what is ZENIQ, what you can do in a wallet, because they will open a messenger and they will see that they can swap. There is an exchange. They got crypto inside. They can have the NFTs or everything what is going to come. Tokenization will be also maybe there. I don't know. So that is going to be something what is amazing. Good. What has started yesterday? Yesterday, ZENIQ has showed what is possible to tokenize. So if the smart chain and the blockchain is ready, okay, they have created a new company, Ramzik. It's RamsIQ. It's like ZenIQ, ZENIQ, and Ramzik. Very. Ramzik means in the Arabian language, your token. So it's going to be used for actually the operation of all the projects, what is going to fit on the ZENIQ smart chain. What is tokenization? As I mentioned, it's the reason for tokenization is to finance projects. Huge advantages. Companies are going to save so much money. It's very difficult to go to a stock exchange. You have to be $1 billion company. And to sell the shares from a stock exchange is not so easy. But now you got a project, you need to finance your project. For example, you want to build a huge shopping mall or an airport, or everything in real estate you can tokenize, but you can go further. Every energy project which you want to build, you can tokenize. You can take shareholders, I'm calling it shareholders, but they buy the token and they got a digital share. And that money is actually coming to the company in one way, and the company is making profit and share it through the token. So this is new. This is the future. This is amazing. So solar plants, wind power plants are going to be possible to tokenize. Art, I cannot say it, but imagine the number 1, 2, 3 painters. The number 1, 2, 3 most well-known painters of the history. Yeah, not today, but of the history. 1, 2, 3. How it would be if we could tokenize that art and you could buy a part of that when it's tokenized. So that is an amazing market. Paintings, antique, patents, licenses, everything can be tokenized. I'm sure in your country, we will have huge companies who will come to ZENIQ and they want to finance the project tokenized. So how many people will buy in that project? Why I'm explaining this, ZENIQ has created actually a different way to tokenize projects, and they are ready to go. And we are going to introduce a couple of those tokenization projects in December. So I cannot say much, but if you are smart, be in December on that event. You don't know what you will miss if you don't come there. It's going to change your life. Yeah? So this is the only thing what I can say. Good. Now let's go to the reason why we have invited you today to this presentation. I hope you have understood that we are working with products which has been produced by a game changer. Yeah? Apple was a game changer. We had so many smartphones, companies like Nokia, Ericsson, etc., and Apple came in 2007. It changed the whole world. And we got a lot of blockchains and smart chains. Smart chains just 8. We are number 9. But ZENIQ is going to be a game changer. That means if you have 50,000 transactions per second, if you have 0.000, so 3 zeros, $1,058 for a transaction fee, if it's very easy to use, if you have the whole ecosystem, the next project owner, why he or she should go to Ethereum, why they will go to an old generation blockchain or smart chain, they will come to ZENIQ. And if they come to ZENIQ, ZENIQ is giving like a service the possibility that they can produce their coin with the minting technology of ZENIQ. So maybe 10 projects come, maybe 4 want to mint, that's okay. And that is exactly where the connection is between SAFIR Global, that is the recommendation marketing company building the customers, and ZENIQ, which is bringing the technology. And that is the possibility that we are sharing this idea, this possibility, this opportunity with customers who want to produce those project coins or tokens. And that is community minting. It's totally different as mining. Minting is much easier to understand. You don't need the expensive computers. You don't have electricity costs. You don't have to change the computer every 2-3 years. You don't have to have 100 computers in a room. No, community minting is much easier. It's the similar way. Yeah, you are buying a hardware product that can be the full hub that is looking like an iPad device. You have the wallet inside, the hard wallet inside, and with the minting function, etc., you get a connection to the exchanges. But if you don't need that all, but you just want to mint, you can have the housing minter that is also a processor, so it's also hardware what you get and you buy, and you are starting to produce. Good. Now, in the future, you will see, I think, hundreds of projects. They came to ZENIQ and they have a massive good story to build, because they will be strong because the ZENIQ platform is strong. And the first project is Tupan. Tupan minting. And you see it, Tupan is a project in cooperation with the ZENIQ blockchain. Tupan is something amazing. How it would be, it sounds so beautiful. Get part of saving the earth and make money with this. We need to do this. Yeah, this is so amazing. You can make money by saving the earth. How it exactly works. So I don't have the time in this presentation to explain everything, but I met him many, many times, Mr. Oderli Feriani. He's from Brazil. He's diplomat ambassador of the criminal court in The Hague. Children and human, etc. environment. It's a super intelligent guy. He got so many studies, MBA in strategic business management. He knows everything about tokenization, everything about blockchain. And what this man, he has got a private bank owned, or I don't know if he ever sold this, but this gentleman, what he did, he created an investment fund and he called it Forest Owl Green. And that is the first SEC regulated fund in the US. He started in America. SEC is like the FINMA from Europe. So every financial institution is getting to be checked and controlled by an institution. But SEC is a killer. Yeah, SEC is not normal. And this is the first SEC regulated fund. And this fund has given the possibility, so all the credibility of what is in the fund, and they are going to create income streams out of actually two legs. One is CO2 certificates, that is the future. And the second is they got 67 patents in registration in the fund from medicine, agriculture, cosmetics, etc. So the CO2 certificate market, big investors, do you know what they say? Don't invest in this, in that, in that. Invest in trees, invest in forests. Believe me, that is going to be huge. Why? 2019, the volume or the market volume of CO2 certificates, the carbon trading, was 211 billion. This is growing massively to more than 2,400 billion in just 4 years. So why? Every plane, if they want to keep flying, they have to buy CO2 certificates because they're damaging the air and somebody must repair. That is agreement from Paris. So can you imagine how many hundreds of thousands of companies are in China, India, Russia, the US, Europe, everywhere. If they want to keep producing, they need the CO2 certificates because they're damaging. The more they damage, the more expensive the CO2 certificates are going to be. And that is an amazing market. And £2 is not just CO2 certificate. That's the reason that I'm inviting you to come to Dubai. The 5th, we will have the event, but on the 6th, we're going to the air show. And do you know who's on the air show? That is one of our product partners, Avinoc, that is for the private aviation. That is the booking.com for private aviation. It's an amazing model. And the second is going to be Tupan. Tupan on an air show. We should be crazy. Yes, this is going to be huge. Good. And now, okay, what is in for me? Yeah, why what is in for you? That is, if you read the Tupan white paper, you want to have the £2 token, of course. But what is very exclusive, what is very smart designed is they have designed a mechanism so that the price of the £2 token is controlled. Yeah? The price development of the £2 token is connected with the mechanism. It's not easy to understand, but I will try to explain it. The fund which we have, they are putting £2 tokens in the fund. There is also a connection with the bank, but that's not so important. So the more tokens are in the fund, the more credibility the fund has. And with that, they are buying land. That land they're using to put trees on it so they can produce CO2 certificates. The fund has changed the land to CO2 certificates. The last time they have bought for 15,000 hectares, that will be 170 million euro just in 10 years. But if the CO2 certificate price stays the same, it can be 10x or 100x. So that is just 15,000 hectares. So imagine how much they can buy. But now very, very, very attractive is the fund, because of the token, they can buy land and produce CO2 certificates. They sell this with the profit. They are buying again token, more token in the fund, more land. The more land, the more CO2 certificates. The more profit, the more token. Do you know what is happening? Profits made from trading those CO2 certificates and selling worldwide to the companies. The profit, they're going to buy £2 token. Where? On the exchanges. So if a group or a fund or people are just buying, not selling, then one, you are independent of the Bitcoin price. We know that the Bitcoin price has dropped. £2 will not drop so fast or totally not, because somebody's still buying and buying and buying and buying. Good. Much more. In £2, there is much more. Everybody on the planet should have £2 token. Everybody. I have. Yeah. But how I have? I didn't buy it because I'm a SAFIR global partner or a promoter, a customer. I have bought the £2 producing minter. So how it would be, what is better? To buy for a certain price, maybe too expensive, or you don't know what the price is, it doesn't matter. You are going to produce for the next 10 years almost the £2 token every day. Every day you produce, every day you see it in your back office. And every day from now on, you can take it out. And if you need money, you can sell it. Don't sell it. Wait, because this £2 is going very, very good. I might not say what, but that's okay. So, and how does it look like? Well, it is an add-on if you already have a ZENIQ hub. Why I'm telling this? Because we got already customers who have bought the ZENIQ hub. They are producing the ZENIQ coin every day still. If you have that, then you can have the £2 full note for €998. Otherwise, you have to buy it for 1,298. It doesn't matter, the €300, there is no difference. Yeah? If you're producing more than 90 tokens a day, and just make a calculation what it is. So the £2 full hub, you don't need anything. You can go in the back office and you can order 1, 2, 10, 100. That doesn't matter. The more you have, the more computers, think like a computer, but the more processors you have and the more you produce. It is also possible to have a half share of that. Some people are just buying two £2 hubs, like 50-50, one for the girl, one for the son, or one for the cat and one for the dog. I don't know. But even you can go back to 100, but I don't think that is very serious. But what is serious is that you have to know that the longer that you wait, the less the £2 is going to produce. Yeah, why? Because that is also a mechanism to help actually the ask and demand on the market, that it's called halving. So cryptocurrencies are halving. Bitcoin is halving every 4 years. We get 2 halvings. One halving is when you have your £2 active in 12 months, it will reduce slowly to 50% less. So this next year, you will produce 50% of what you have produced now. So that is the first halving, but the second halving is more important, I think. The company is selling in blocks of 2,000. So we got 2,000 £2 hubs, the full nodes for 1,298, or the other one. And those 2,000, if we have reached 2,000 customers, then we open another block that is also 2,000, but that will produce 1% less. So it means in the time, you will see the 100% going down. We are now at 93. That is an amazing amount, amazing. Yeah, but if you come back in a couple of months, maybe you will see 50. So I'm giving that example. Maybe it's not right, but I think that you can feel how it would be if you could, by that time when Ethereum came in the market and it was producing, when you could buy a minter for €1,298, and it was producing 93 Ethereums per day. But the Ethereum price was 0.000 something. Would you be interested to buy it? But if it was possible and you could buy 1 or 2 or more minters where you could produce Ethereum, and how it would be if you are producing today 30 Ethereums. So that didn't happen, but I want you to understand the model, how it is working. And you will see in the future, that is actually the way how we are going to work as SAFIR Global. We will not have one product, but we will have many other projects, and they want to mint their coin or token. And we from SAFIR, we will be the first who will know which project, how it's been minted, how much it's been minted. And mostly, I'm not promising, but mostly what the company is doing is in the pre-sale is giving the possibility that you can produce much more coins or tokens. So I call it the most intelligent way to have a couple of different projects producing on the ZENIQ minter. And this is not a short time, but wait 1 year, wait 2 years, wait 3 years. That is a way how you can create a benefit out of the blockchain. You don't have to buy, you don't have to sell, you don't have to trade, you don't have to bot, nothing. If you can order a book on Amazon, you can order this minter and it's working in the back office. Yeah, I will explain that later. And now we got, it was for October 2022, but now there's still the incentive going. And it means if you order a £2 share or full note or more full notes, you will have plus an ZENIQ minting power minter in the way it can be a share or a full hub. Yeah, so don't miss that. Good. Now that is part one. Part one is customer. I'm a very good customer of SAFIR. I got a lot of ZENIQ hubs. I've got a lot of £2 hubs. I will have a lot of ABC hubs, what is going to come, because this is the way I'm getting my benefits. And this is something great for me and also for my children. But the second way how you can create an income, that is using the business model of SAFIR. We call it recommendation marketing. It's amazing. This is the first time that I can do a webinar, that I can present a business where you don't have to buy and sell the product. Yeah. Most of the webinars which are being held, you have to buy for $100 something and you have to sell this for $150 to make money. It's not like this. Here, the customer is buying his minter, not to sell because it's producing. Why you should sell that thing if it's producing every day certain coins and tokens? Good. And now we're going to change a lot of things in this industry. First, we are moving to the highest office in the world. I was there yesterday. I made some pictures and some videos. It's amazing. It's floor 147 in the Burj Khalifa. The highest restaurant is below us. So there is no office which is higher. It's a full level, 500 square meters. Really, you can see everything. I saw my cats in Turkey, so it's amazing. The design, they have started everything. We hope that it was in December already, but in Dubai, everything is connected to rules. Yeah, if you want to do this, you have to get a permission for this, for that. But this is going to this is the look of the office, and that's the reason that I don't know when it's ready. But let me say it will be ready in February 2023. I'm sorry, I have to change that. I changed February, but didn't change the year 2023. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired, but it's okay. But that is going to be another image. We're going to change this industry. So if you are doing a business with a company and people are asking, okay, wow, that's nice, unique. We understand that is unique. And the recommendation marketing company, you can make money with that. Yes, it's a business model. Where's your office? Well, it's in the Burj Khalifa on level 147. Yeah? He will go in coma, and when you wake up, he will start. Good. How does it work? A business model is connected to, I call it a pay plan. Yeah, it's a benefits plan. There is no salary, but salary is, I read it again today. if you work for a salary, you are working for dreams of other people. Yeah. It is always limited somewhere. But if you can do business, it's unlimited. You can be millionaire, you can be billionaire, you can be multi-billionaire. We have seen this with all the industries. And that's the reason that we have got a benefit plan which is paying more than 60% of the sales to our people who are building the community and creating actually a momentum in this business. I will not go in detail, but just for your understanding, we've got 3 incomes. One is a customer percentage income on 15 levels. Every customer which you have direct, it is 10%. So if they are buying a hub for 1,298 and they produce their own £2, you get 129.8 euro commission, 10%. When they have their customers, they will get the 10%, but you will get 7% because it's in your team. So it starts from 10, first level, and goes down to 15 levels. That's one. The second one, it's a career rank bonus. What does it mean? It's not like network marketing, very easy. We had a big leader today in a meeting. We were talking with him. He's huge. I think he got also more than 1 million people in his downline. And he said, what is different in the compensation plan? I said, it's not binary. Okay. But the volume, what is bringing you the career ranks, is cumulated. He said, what do you mean? I said, look, if you are doing 10,000 volume, you have a certain structure what you have to build, but it's peanuts. You are Ruby. If you reach the 20,000, you are double Ruby, but 20,000 is not monthly, so it's not been deleted at the end of the month. The volume what you have stays. You had 10,000, you can go to holiday 2 months, come back, it's still on 10,000. The next period, not next month, the next period, if you do 10,000 more, you get 20,000, double Ruby. So it means, ladies and gentlemen, the highest rank here is double gold diamond. If you want to reach that, you need 50 million sales. So you can calculate 50 million divided by 1,298. That's the amount of products what has to be bought in your structure. It means if you keep doing your business, even if you are doing 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 sales per month, maybe in 1 year, maybe in 2 years, maybe in 5 years, you will reach that level. But every time when you reach a next career, the company is giving you the career rank bonus. It starts with 15 euro, 75 euro plus 15 plus 75 plus 300 plus 600 plus 3,000 plus 9,000, 15, 40, 80, 150,000, 300,000, 500,000, 1 million euro in your back office, 2.5 million euro in your back office. So I know it's huge amounts, I know, but there is no plan on the planet which is paying this amount of benefits. And this is 2. Yeah, I'm not ready. 3, that is the bonus pool. Monthly world sales, 10% goes in this pool and has been divided according to your rank, according to your stars, to your shares. Yeah, this has a little bit changed. It's not one pool anymore. It's 1, 2, 3 sub pools. Pool 1, you are always in. Pool 2 and pool 3, you just have to do 4% plus 8% plus. On 10,000 euro, it's 400 euros. So that's peanuts. Good. Everything what I've explained here, you can find in the SAFIR back office. You will get a free back office of the company. You just need a link from the person who's invited you. Jump in and you can see everything which you are producing. I'm not finished there. You can see everything which you are producing in the Tupan world. So all the tokens you can see day by day. You can click on your ID of your minter and you can go to the blockchain. So everything is being produced on the blockchain. It's not a Mickey Mouse produced in a back office and we show you a nice world. No, this is so beautiful. This is so legal. Yeah, everything which you are producing, you're producing on the blockchain. Nobody can take it away from you. It's your production. Good. And now, good. We are 2.5 weeks away from the global summit. And now I want you to listen very carefully. Just give me, just give me 1 second. I'm so tired that I can not see the numbers. 170 people. Wow, this is a record. Good. Now 170 people. Listen, I'm still in Dubai because we have work today, and tomorrow we are going to work also. But the global summit is in December. And in December, it's very difficult in Dubai because the weather is nicer. It's not so hot. So many people are coming in this hotel. If I want to go to breakfast, it's drama. Yeah. It's like everything is free here in this country. It's not. It's very expensive at the moment. It will go up. So don't be late to get a hotel. Book your hotel, pay your hotel. Buy your ticket. You can go in your back office, $3.99. It is possible that your upline can help you to buy the ticket. Of course, not he's going to pay, but he will show you what you have to do. The meeting is going to be in the Madinat Jumeirah. Yeah, it's like an island. It's very close to that most well-known, beautiful building there. Yeah. But now let's come to the meeting. Since 2018, ZENIQ is developing the blockchain and the smart chain. So it's not easy what they did. Even today, when we're talking with that big leader, he said, this is shocking good. This is amazing because there is no company on that. And I think you should be proud and you should be lucky. That's what I said in the beginning, that you are listening to this. Do you know why? I don't know how old or how young you are, but blockchain is starting now. Crypto is accepted now. It's a culture. Yeah. And in time, you remember that when internet banking came, I was one of those who said, I will never do internet banking. I accept it. It's a culture. And after that, mobile banking came. I said, okay, internet I can do, but I'm not going to do it on my phone because they will steal my money. I was against it. But I'm doing it now because it's a culture which we accepted. Blockchain, crypto is a culture what we are going to accept more and more. Timing. Now blockchain is going to grow big. Tokenization is going to change. We got the best blockchain, we got the best smart chain, we got a whole ecosystem. And we will have thousands of projects, maybe 10,000s of projects that want to use the ZENIQ Smart Chain. That means that the ZENIQ coin is going to be used. 100% of the profit of the exchanges, 100% of the profit of the exchanges are going to be used, that money, not to buy Ferrari, Lamborghini. No, it's going to be used to buy ZENIQ coins from the market and burn it. So there are so many crazy things here. And what Aaron today said, it was, I got, how do you call it, ghost hubs or something, what is it? It's a young guy and he's hardworking. He said, even if we are not existing anymore, ZENIQ will stay forever because it's on the blockchain. That I was shocked today, man. I was always listening, okay, decentralized. But today when he said that, it's a young guy. I'm 55. He's younger as me. He said, even if I'm not there, everything is going on. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be big. Yeah. And why the summit? On the summit, we are going to present things that you will start crying. You will jump out of the room and you forget to jump in the plane. You will swim back to India or Nigeria or Paris. I don't know, but you will swim back. You get crazy because things are starting. But on that date, it's always like this. I'm 35 years in this industry. People who come to the event will have extra advantages as those people who don't come to that event. It's always like this. Yeah. If you go to a party, at the end, you get a present and you get something more as people, they don't go to the party. I cannot say what, but I will say that it's going to be huge. So therefore, invest in your business. If you are opening a restaurant, you're investing to buy chairs and tables. If a table with the chair is costing 1,000 euro and you have 50 tables, it's 50,000 euro. Now you are going to invest for one chair, that's 399, and one table, that is your flight ticket, and one table plus chair, maybe, I don't know what it is for extra cost. That is an investment in your business. But that restaurant is paying rent, has got 50 people working, has got so many things to pay, taxes, electricity, gas, etc. You don't have any cost, but you can make thousands more times more as that restaurant money with this. It is an investment. You have to be in Dubai. You will not believe what is going to come. You can maybe imagine, yeah? Smart chain is ready, blockchain is ready, tokenization platform is ready. So we got now Tupan. Will we have more minting projects? Will we have tokenization projects? Will we have extra advantages? What is the goal of ZENIQ? ZENIQ has got a vision, has prepared everything. Of course, they will have a lot of more minting projects. Of course, they will have a lot of tokenization projects. And of course, we from SAFIR, we're going to build that community. So we will have access to those minting projects by being a customer. And therefore, don't forget what I say. You have to be there. That's one. Two, on the 6th, we go to the air show. Avinok will be there. Tupan will be there. And it's free because it's included in your ticket. And something very special. Yeah? This is something for our leaders. If you can come together with a couple of people and you say, okay, we want to buy tickets. If you buy for 2,000 between 4,000, you will get 5% discounts. And for those big groups, they are doing it now. They're buying for 50,000 plus, they got 35% discount. So that is 260 euro. Yeah. So for a ticket, don't forget what I say. You see that building there? That is going to be the highest office. We got the best technology company backing up and giving us the products. So how it would be, no, I would say different. Take your phone and call Apple. Take your phone and call Apple and say, okay, I'm somebody and I've got a great idea. Talk with your CEO and let him design some products for us because we are going to sell the Apple products in network marketing or recommendation marketing. Yeah, you will see what's going to happen. Can you imagine that there is a blockchain company, blockchain tech company, which is open, which is accepted the way how we are marketing this? That will never, ever come back in your life. I don't know, if you're 20, maybe, okay, it will happen. But if you're 55, I don't have 55 years more. So this is the opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for being here. From now on, start doing something, get your tickets and purchase your £2. And don't tell me I don't have money. 100 euro everybody has, but okay. But if I was you, I would buy more. I would buy one for 1,298 euro. I'm saying this as, and not as a presenter here, but I'm saying this maybe as a friend, I don't know, because Tupan is a huge project. This is going to be huge. Take care. We will have a lot of more meetings this week in many, many languages. You can find everything in your back office. Go scroll down in the menu, calendars and webinars, and click on it. You will see it in Russian. You will see it in Hindi. You will see it in English, in German, in Spanish, many, many other, Swedish, I think. So thank you very much. See you back. Bye-bye.